Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of data on AliExpress. To know how to fix or how to solve data on AliExpress, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can go to AliExpress and you can click. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.